Well, thanks for staying with us on TVC News. Dialogue has been identified as the only veritable tool for addressing the challenges plaguing the country, especially those directly impacted on the youths. As the third youth conference opens in Abuja, it seeks to use dialogue to foster collaboration between the African youth, government and civil society organizations. Moyo Thomas reports.
Youth Hub Africa started their conference as a measure to engage youth in discuss for solutions to challenges in the country and the role they can play in realizing the Sustainable Development Goals. This is the third in its series of conferences organized to mark the International Youth Day. Funded by the EU-UN Spotlight Initiative, it brings together about 500 young Africans from 9 states in Nigeria and other African countries joining virtually under the theme, Expanding Margins. The discussion ranges from dangers of sexual and gender violence against women and girls, female mutilation, health, democracy and governance, education and entrepreneurship.
You are married to someone who has been caught. Make sure that when she does get pregnant, that she has access to safe delivery so that she doesn't suffer further consequences for that. So it is that there's many nuances to all of this. And it's never black and white, and I'm the first one to recognize that.
It affords participants the opportunity to get actively involved in processes that highlights the need to start speaking out and looking inwards for homegrown solutions to sexual and gender-based violence in Nigeria and Africa.
The percentage of completion of basic education in the Northwest generally is very, very poor. You know, some states we have as low as 4%, and as Spotlight Initiative, we are working towards making sure that there's increased level of uptake of primary and secondary school education for girls.
There are now initiatives targeting young men and boys, because when you talk about sexual violence, boys and men are those who perpetrate this violence. And we need to continue to start to reach them from when they are young, to groom them to be able to understand how to deal with women and how to relate with women and how to live in a society harmoniously.
The 2-day conference highlights the importance of contraception and continued education for girls married off in young age, and the need to engage parents, traditional and community leaders towards ending this dangerous phenomenon. It's also an opportunity for youth to showcase their talents, from poetry to music talents. Expanding Margins hopes to help Nigerian youth fulfill potentials amidst raging challenges in the country. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.